Hey, welcome to our channel Defensive Earth. Today's video is about emerging technologies in defense. In the ever-evolving landscape of global security, emerging technologies in defense are shaping the future of warfare. No longer is battle confined to traditional weapons and human strategy alone. Science and technology are now at the heart of military dominance. Artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. Imagine a battlefield where intelligent machines make split-second decisions, detecting threats before they even appear. Artificial intelligence is transforming military operations, from autonomous drones conducting reconnaissance to AI-powered decision-making tools assisting commanders in planning strategies. With machine learning, predictive analytics, and real-time data processing, AI is not just supporting warfare, it is redefining it. Cybersecurity and cyber warfare. But the battlefield isn't just on the ground or in the skies, it exists in the digital realm as well. Nations now invest heavily in cybersecurity to protect vital military networks from sophisticated cyber attacks. Hackers, both state-sponsored and independent, attempt to infiltrate defense systems, making cybersecurity one of the most critical frontiers of modern warfare. The ability to defend against these threats determines the security of not just a nation's military, but also its infrastructure and economy. Hypersonic weapons and advanced missile technology. Speed is the ultimate weapon, and hypersonic missiles capable of traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound are revolutionizing global defense. These cutting-edge weapons can evade traditional missile defense systems, making them nearly unstoppable. Countries around the world are engaged in a technological race to develop and deploy them, redefining strategic military planning. Directed energy weapons. Lasers and high-energy weapons, once thought to be the stuff of science fiction, are becoming a reality. Directed energy weapons, using focused energy such as lasers or microwaves, offer precise, rapid, and cost-effective defense against incoming threats, including drones, missiles, and even aircraft. Unlike conventional ammunition, these weapons rely on energy, making them a powerful tool in modern defense, space warfare, and defense satellites. The future of defense is also expanding beyond Earth. Space is now a contested domain, with nations developing military satellites for surveillance, communication, and even potential offensive operations. Anti-satellite weapons designed to disable or destroy enemy satellites pose a new challenge to global security. As space becomes the next frontier of military strategy, countries are racing to ensure dominance beyond the atmosphere. Quantum computing and military applications. And beyond all these advancements lies one of the most powerful game changers of all, quantum computing. This technology, still in its early stages, has the potential to break even the most complex encryptions, rendering traditional cybersecurity measures obsolete. Nations investing in quantum computing could gain an unparalleled advantage in intelligence, gathering, communication security, and cryptographic warfare. The future of defense. As these technologies continue to evolve, so too does the nature of warfare. The integration of AI, cyber warfare, hypersonic weapons, directed energy, and space-based defense systems isn't just reshaping military strategy, it is changing the very definition of national security. The question remains, in this rapidly advancing age, who will harness these technologies first, and how will they shape the balance of power in the decades to come? If you like our content, hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more defense-related videos.